Yan. Andito kami labas. Andito kami labas. May mahangin. It's very windy. Windy, windy, windy. Windy. Windy, windy, windy. Hi! My God. Windy outside. We just arrived home. Kaya na-stay kami muna sa labas kasi nandyan yung mga pelicans. Nakita ko, oh. Yun, oh. Pumasok na si Daddy, si Papi Ken. Pumasok na sa, ito yung bahay namin, oh. 3 bedrooms yan. Ano? Totally renovated. Totally replace lahat ang mga sidings, roof, ang lahat, floors. Yan, maganda din sa yan sa side niya, sa side. Oh, yan. Saka yun yung outhouse. Yung alam mo yung toilet sa Philippines, yung dirty toilet. Ayan. Saka ito sa side niya, sa likod. Sa likod ito. Yan, oh. Sa likod niya yan. O sige, okay, thank you. Ito, teka, tadalhin ko dyan sa Ito yung sa... Oy, my God! What are you doing there? I thought I'm still filming. And there you are exiting there. My God, this is the back. Yan, ng bahay. Back, this is the part of the bathroom. Yan, that is the the toilet, the dirty toilet, outhouse. We call it outhouse in.
You want to see the inside?
Oh, I will show it inside. My God. Yung ipakita ko daw yung toilet sa loob. I-remodel ni Daddy. You know.
I haven't washed.
Ha?
Not been washed.
Hindi pa nawas yan na. Ayan, oh. Ganyan sa loob. Pero kami, meron kaming o yan, oh. Yung parang toilet sa Philippines na dirty toilet. Okay, bye-bye. Say bye-bye, Papi.
Bye-bye.